Hey guys, I know you can't see me. I know you're looking down the sights of my gun. But we're playing airsoft. See my friend right there. I shoot him right now. It's real complicated aiming with this camera strapped onto the back because I couldn't afford one that would clip onto there. So I had to use duct tape. Look at him going up there. So I'm having to use both my hands to aim. It's like just to hold the handle and aim through the camera. It's complicated. Okay, I'm gonna yell ready when he's ready. Okay. I know where to go. I was hiding up in here earlier today. Okay. Ready? Okay, he yelled ready. Get down. Oh crap, I don't see him. Battery's low too. Crap, he saw me. Crap, I'm in flip-flop. What the crap am I thinking? Run. Run back up front. He's running back up front. Crap. He's got me pinned. Crap, I'm low. He's running. Hit! Seth, I hit you! Hit your mask! Hit your mask! You hit! Seth, I'm hit! I already hit you, you're dead. I hit you mask, you're dead. Whoa, that was real stupid. Seth, I hit your mask, that means you got hit. We're playing one shot. Crap, stop. We're playing one shot. Signing off. Look at the loser who didn't call his hit. Meh.